can see on your screen his before and after images around 3.5 months after surgery, 6 months after surgery, and then 8 months after surgery. You can also see a combing video and appreciate that the donor area looks fantastic. The recipient area by the end of 8th month of surgery looks very good. Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm an American board certified hair transplant surgeon working at Saraswat Hospital Agra, helping people with hair loss conditions and wanting a hair transplant. We have been assisting hair transformation journeys for past more than a decade and a half. Do subscribe this channel for real science-backed solutions. Patient when came for consultation, we understood that he is only 24 years of age. He already has lost almost whole of front, top and up to the transition zone of the crown. This much of baldness led to a very much decrease in his confidence. He told us that he wanted a proper framing of face even if filling up whole of the bald area was not possible. We decided to give a proper long-term treatment planning to him. We did a trichoscopy and then we found out various parameters which we would share with you in a short while. But before undergoing surgery, he wanted to know how he would look after he underwent surgery. So he took help of PeekAI feature of Saraswat Hospital App. He downloaded the app, he clicked on the PeekAI feature, uploaded his pictures from the front and top, and within 24 to 48 hours, he got his probable result pictures back to him so that he knew how approximately he would look. We also gave him an approximate number of grafts which would be required by him and a few questions which if he asks then he would understand his hair transplant in a much better and comprehensive way. So before undergoing surgery, we did good trichoscopy for him. We found out that he had approximately 4,500 grafts in the donor area behind since he was already grade 6. The thickness of those grafts at the back was average. The CV, that is coverage value of hair at the back, was more than average. It was actually good. It was 13.5 and up to 15 is considered very good. So the range is between 5 to 15. When we measured the recipient area, we found that the front and top, if we do at present, would require round about 3,000 grafts, and actually we decided to split his case in 2 sessions so that the front and top we did right now and the rest we did in a next session after say 6 to 8 months from now. So we gave him a density of 40 grafts per centimeter square for the front area and 35 grafts per centimeter square on the top of scalp. You can ask in the comment section below your hair loss grade and the questions you have regarding your hair loss. The technique used was follicular unit excision FUE method. The number of hair was around 6,000. Why? Because average number of hair in one graft for him was around 2.1. Now you can see the detailed analysis of his trichoscopy, how many 1 head, 2 head, 3 head, 4 head grafts he had. If you want a personalized, customized plan for yourself, you can call us on the numbers below or you can WhatsApp us your pictures. Now you can see on your screen his before and after images. So images on the day of surgery, 5 days after surgery, around 3.5 months after surgery, 6 months after surgery, and then 8 months after surgery. You can also see a combing video and appreciate that the donor area looks fantastic. The recipient area by the end of 8th month of surgery looks very good, and I should tell you that the density will increase even more till around 1 year. So the patient is yet to have a better result. We are happy that we could deliver what the patient wanted. Do not forget to share this video with someone who needs hope. If you want to see a grade 3 hair transplant, you can click the link on the right.